Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. This is Shubham and welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Crazy and Career Insights. So today's job update from to the multiple companies. Multiple companies going to hire for the multiple roles. So let's see one by one. So first job update from to the Siemens. Siemens going to hire for to the graduate engineer trainee. So after the getting selection, if you ready to locate for to the Gurgaon or Haryana location, then it's a great opportunity for you. Then you must need to apply for this job role as soon as possible. So let's see about the career responsibility and eligibility criteria. So here you can see that if you completed your graduation from BE Tech and if you are from any field of engineering or if any background like which is related to the computer IT, then you must be eligible for these job roles. Even candidates should have a 0 to 1 year experience. So if you are fresher or 223 batch pass of students, then you are also eligible for this job role. So before applying for the job role, the candidates should have proficiency about the better communication skills. They must be know how to work along with the electrical systems and associated control systems. They have basic understanding about the computer fundamentals and network administration. They must be know about the private as well as public networks. How we can follow the all the things by the help of these networking services. They have basic understanding about the data engineering, data analytics, and machine learning algorithms. So this all about this key responsibility and eligibility criteria that candidates should must be have proficiency about the programming skills. They have basic understanding about all the networking systems. So yeah, here you can see about the like company overview, like why they are going to hire you and like what is actual requirements for this hiring process. So these all things are given here. So for applying for the job application, you must need to click on this apply now tab. So after that you need to fill all the mandatory details. Once you fill all the mandatory details, then you have to click on the submit button. Then your job application will be get submitted for this job role. So let's see about the second hiring update. So second hiring update from the Geeky Ants. Geeky Ants going to hire for the DevOps engineer. So after getting selection, if you ready to locate for the Bangalore location, then it's a great opportunity for you. Even they are going to provide salary as a 5 LPA for the job application. So candidates should be apply before the Sunday like 11 June before 223. Like this is the one of the deadline for the job application, and drive date will be 17 June 2023. So this is they are going to provide salary as a 5 LPA for the job role, as this drive is only for the fresher to 123 batch pass of students. So here you can see about the company overview. The apply link is given in this video description. You can go throughout the company overview. So let's see about the eligibility criteria and key responsibility. So before applying for the job application, candidates should be completed their graduation from 200 batch pass of students. Also, they are must be from the BE Tech or from the any engineering of any fields. Like if you are from core or like from the IT background, then also you are eligible for the job role. So let's see about the responsibility and the job description. So before applying for this job role, the candidate should have a basic understanding about the cloud services, where they know how to work along with Azure, AWS, and the Google Cloud Platform. They know how to perform with the troubleshooting services. They have basic understanding about the Linux command. They have understanding about the how to work along with the agile methodology, waterfall model, as the DevOps is the successor part to the agile methodology. So they must be know how the basic understanding about the all the like what are the Scrum meetings or what are the like other follow up for that agile methodology. They must be have basic understanding about it. Also they must be know how to work along with the Ansible, Puppet, Docker, like such type of the other the automation tools are there. They must be have basic understanding about it. They must be know how to work along with the shape. They have basic understanding Kubernetes and all things, Jenkins. These are the must be important tools while performing the automation services with the help of the DevOps. So they have basic understanding about it. They must be have basic understanding of better communication skills. By the help of they must be know how to work along their colleagues and how to connect with their clients. So they must be have promotion skills and better understanding about the CI/CD pipelines. So this all about these hiring updates, like what is actual responsibility and the job criteria and job responsibility. So these all things are mentioned here. You can go through these key responsibilities. So let's say about the probation period and salary structure. So if you get selected for the job role, then you must need to go for to the 3 months of the probation period. So during this probation period, company going to provide you training. So during the your tenure period, so if you are excellent, you show your proficiency or you must be showcase your ability of skills. Then based on your performance, the company going to provide you as a full-time employment. So during this full-time employment, company going to offer you as a 5 LP as a CTC for your FTE. Like you have to work from to the Monday to the Monday to Friday for total 8 hours. So these are about this full-time employment. And during the probation period, you must be show your case your abilities and must be you have perform as possible as well as according to the your abilities. So this all about this hiring update, like which is from the Geekends. So apply for the job application, you must need to click on the login to apply tab, and then after that you have to fill all the mandatory details. Then you are eligible for the job application, that you can submit this job application for the Geekend job role. So let's say about the third hiring update. So third hiring update found to the Phenofix. Phenofix going to hire for the manual testers. They are going to offer CTC as a 3 to 5 LPA for the job role, and after getting selection you must be relocated for to the Bangalore location, as these are the like a work from office opportunity, so you must need to relocate for to the Bangalore. So here you can see about the company overview and job description. You can go through this. So let's see about the job responsibility and eligibility criteria. So before apply for the job role, candidates should have better proficiency about the programming languages. They must be know how to work along with the Selenium or like automation tools. They must be know how to perform along as a software tester, we can say the manual as well as automation testing. They have to perform with the help of the SQL queries or Java core Java knowledge, how we can do the testing, how we can what are the codes built by the developer, how we can test those codes, and this all responsibility candidates should be know how to be for apply for this job role. Even candidates should have better proficiency about their communication skills. They must be have basic understanding how to speak along with their colleagues, how to ask the problems like which are they hurdle or at the time of the getting in particular task. So this all about this hiring update. Here you can see about that, if you are just you are fresher, or if you are 0 to 2 year of experience candidate, then you are eager for the job role. So if you completed your graduation, or you are 220 or 20 batch pass out students and completed your graduation from BE Tech or ME Tech, then you are eager for the job role. Even there is no any percentage criteria. So if you are less than 60% in your graduation, 10th or 12th, then also you are eligible for the job role. So if you get selected for the job application, the company going to provide you as a CTC at 3 to 5 LPA for to the 19 months of the bonds, so 18 months of bonds. So during that 18 months of bond, we can't you have to follow all the rules and regulation, and whatever the terms and conditions which are followed by the company. So you must be apply for those all terms and conditions. So here you can see about the interview process. So interview process will be totally three round of process. First will be the technical assessment test. So you have to must be clear the technical assessment test. After the clearing that test, the company going to call you for the telephonic interview. So you have to perform well during this telephonic interview. So if you get clear with the first two round of online assessment as well as telephonic interview, then there is the head to head, or like you can say the face to face interview in the company premises. So you must be prepare yourself as good as possible, so you must be easily crack this all rounder process. So if sir candidate should be completed the graduation BE Tech, then also you are eligible for the job role. So here you can see about all the salary structure and all things. So for apply for the job role, you must need to create a login credential account for the MCAT. So after that, you must be you can able to apply for the job role. So that's all about this hiring update. So I hope you got the better understanding about this all job applications. So apply link is given in this video description. You can apply for all the job roles and job applications. So thank you so much for watching this video. Show your support by liking this video and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more upcoming job updates. So thank you so much.